Hey, what's up guys? We are here at Sangria University here in Disney. We're going to taste some really delicious sangrias and I'm going to give you all of my opinions, so come on and join me. Did you know that you can go to a Sangria University and obtain your own certificate of completion at Walt Disney World? You know I'm always trying to get you to understand all of the fun things adults can do at Walt Disney World. What is Sangria University? Sangria University is an experience geared towards adults visiting Disney that allows you to learn about the history of sangria, along with creating your own refreshing take on this famous exotic beverage. What can you expect at Disney Sangria University? During this fun Disney activity, you'll be guided through the story of how sangria came to be by a sangria sommelier.
We took that idea and we basically made it into an art garden for us.
On your trip, you'll taste 4 samples of sangria made in-house at the Three Bridges Bar and Grill at the Villa del Lago. You'll also enjoy a delicious Spanish dish on your visit, your own sangria creation, and you'll receive a Disney Diploma showing your expertise in the area of sangria. This class is also quite small and quaint, so you can feel safe about enjoying this fun grown-up experience. Now you may be wondering, how much is the Sangria University class at Disney? Sangria University costs about $45 for every adult Disney guest. When is the Sangria University offered at Disney? You can enjoy this class every Saturday and Sunday from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And where does this class take place? Like I said before, it is located inside the Three Bridges Bar and Grill at Villa del Lago at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. While you're there, you'll sit outside in a covered lounge setting overlooking the majestic lagoon with the Grand Destino Tower standing in the background. Now, to say that this is a Disney must-do is not emphasizing just how much you have to experience this event on your solo Disney trip or your trip with family and friends. I had such a wonderful time learning about the interesting history of how sangria came to be, and I especially loved how warm and inviting the cast members were. They patiently helped me come up with unique ways to have my own sangria creation stand out, and they were accommodating to parties that had children or, if a person was pregnant. You can be a part of Sangria University even if you don't want to have alcohol. You will enjoy the event at a lower cost as well because you're not getting alcohol, and your base for your sangria will be lemonade instead of wine. Just let the cast member know that you want to opt out of the alcoholic version when making your reservation. Overall, the location overlooking the lagoon did it for me as I sipped my delicious concoction. It reminded me of why I love discovering fun and unique things to do at Walt Disney World for adults. For more information, please email www.sangria.university@disney.com. And until next time, happy park hopping hipsters!